Welcome back. So now we're going to talk about the main program. And like I said earlier, the main program is a set of related routines and tasks. All right, so to modify the program, so we're going to right click on the main program, and then we're going to go to properties. All right, so here are the properties icon. We're going to have a dialog box that pops up. Now here we can edit the name of our program. So for example, for my tank fill project, I'm going to call this station 1. Station 1. So this is this program will actually control the routines that are executed at station 1. So I'm going to call this programs for station 1 routine execution. All right, so I don't know if you can get what I'm trying to do here. So now we'll go to the configurations tab, and you'll notice that we have the main, and then we also have the default. All right, so the main routine, or the main actually gives you the leverage to say, okay, I want this routine to run first. This is the main routine, and a main routine will always have a number 1 subscript written just by the icon beside the name. So that's how you know that that is the main routine in any program. In any routine, And then default routine, like I have been saying, default routine is just a routine that helps to check, and when, like, it helps to check when there is a fault from the controller. So it is usually just pops up, it pops up, it executes rather when the controller finds an instruction execution fault. Let me put it that way, within any routine. So from here, we're going to leave it. We don't have any fault routines yet. We haven't even created a routine yet, apart from the default main routine that is here. But we can delete this because it's in ladder logic. If you look at the symbol beside the name, you'll see it's written in ladder logic. So we can actually delete that depending on your skill set. If you prefer to use function block, if you prefer to use sequential function chart, if you prefer to use structured text, you could change the routine there, like change the programming language for that routine. And for your information, you could write a routine in ladder logic, another routine in function block. Everything will execute seamlessly. There'll be no issues. All right, once done, you can apply changes and then select OK. So you would see here that we have our station 1 program set. Now you can also add programs to like a new program to your project. So to do that, you will come to your main task. So now remember, here we have the tank fill task and we have the tank control task. Now the tank fill task is a periodic task, and the tank control task is a continuous task. So we're going to add new program to the tank control task. Now, like I said earlier, the continuous task executes. It just executes and keeps going, while a periodic task can interrupt the continuous task. So we're going to come to tank control task, and then we will come to add, and then we'll add a new program. So let's call this program station 2. All right, and this is scheduled in the time control task already, so we'll click OK. Now you find out that we've added a new program, station 2. All right, so if you click further, you realize that there are no routines here yet. So that is just how you could add a new program, to your project. Also, we can modify the execution of programs by going to the main task. For example, like our time control task here, we can come to properties. Now here at properties, we'll come to program schedule. Now you see here that we have station 1 and station 2. So here now we can decide to say, okay, we want station 2 to execute first before station 1. So here we can now, after you click, you can now move it up. So station 2 is the first and station 1 is the second. So that is how you can actually schedule your programs to execute. And if you want to maybe remove from the execution list, like the schedule, you can highlight and then click, so it's gonna, then you can add it back. So that's it. So for now, station 1 will execute first. So once you're done with setting that, then you click on apply, and that's all.